Ukraine is being hit by a powerful weather event that no one even expected. Something even scarier and more dangerous is coming to replace the severe frosts. Once again, a sharp deterioration in conditions is being recorded across the entire country. The sky's getting darker, the wind is picking up, the precipitation's turning prolonged and intense, and the temperature's fluctuating rapidly. Rivers are overflowing their banks, and snow and ice are building up at an unprecedented rate. The atmospheric front's moving quickly, covering more and more regions, and the next few hours could be decisive. If you can, viewers, please subscribe, leave likes and comments, and in the meantime, we'll get started with the cyclone that's covering Ukraine, flooding everything in its path. Houses are going underwater, the wind is tearing off roofs, and rivers are overflowing their banks. Over the past few days, a new wave of bad weather has hit Ukraine. Ukrainians barely had time to recover from the bitter cold before another disaster struck. And unfortunately, there are consequences. In many regions, Sumy, Poltava, Kirovograd, Dnipro, Kharkiv, and Odessa, melting snow, such as sharp and sudden warming, heavy prolonged rainfall, and gale-force winds have caused havoc, especially in Poltava region. Because of the excess water, the area literally went underwater. Fields are flooded, roadsides and highways have been washed out, and travel in some directions is difficult. Locals joke that for long trips, a boat is now more suitable than a car. And this is what the situation looks like in Ukrainian fields. But for farmers, this is no laughing matter.
Madam, I came to the field to check on the winter wheat. Well, I don't think it's going to make it because it got washed away by a stream like this.
Meanwhile, the yards of local residents were simply flooded.
Just look, the water in the yard is up to my knees. It's coming right up to the house. In just 2.5 hours, the water level rose by a whole meter.
And in the Kharkiv region, rescuers are actively helping residents because of the flooding of private homes, outbuildings, and yards. Over the past day, units of the State Emergency Service and local fire brigades were called out 65 times to deal with the aftermath of the bad weather in the Izium, Molovi, Chuhiv, Kupiansk, Bogodukiv, and Kharkiv districts, as well as in the city of Kharkiv. In the Krasnokutsk community of the Bohodukov district, more than 200 houses have been flooded, including homes that have never before suffered from natural disasters. Among them is my house, which in all these years has never once been affected by flooding, says the head of the association, Irina Karabat. She emphasizes that this is a real test, but it shows the true strength of the community and their mutual support.